Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your active now activity status on Instagram. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, you have to open this Instagram application in your mobile and then tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. You can follow this on both an iPhone or an Android. Now tap on these three bars in the top right corner and all you need to do is go and scroll down here until you go and see messages and story replies. So just simply tap on this messages and story replies. Then you can see this option show activity status. Just simply tap on it and you have to make sure that this toggle is turned off. If this toggle is turned on, as you can see, your activity status will be shown active. If you turn this off, nobody can see your activity status on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.